Hey, did you know your DNA or lab results could soon earn you tokens while funding cures for chronic disease? This is decentralized science, or DSI, where research and communities collaborate using blockchain. Projects like 𝗙𝗏 and Molecule are funding medical breakthrough tokenized IP rights, while genome DAOs let people own and monetize their genome data. Even big players like Pfizer Ventures are entering the space, blending AI, blockchain, and biotech for faster drug discoveries. The future of medicine is not locked in a lab, it's on chain. DSI is turning research into community-powered, transparent, and fair ecosystem for everyone. Thank you for watching.